Welcome to Knowledge Bytes, where we explore the hidden wonders of the universe. Today, we're diving into one of the most profound mysteries in cosmology, dark matter. What is it, and why is it so crucial to our understanding of the cosmos? Look up at the night sky and you'll see stars, planets, and galaxies. But what you can't see is even more intriguing. Scientists believe that around 85% of the matter in the universe is invisible. This elusive substance is known as dark matter. Dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible to current telescopes. Yet we know it exists because of its gravitational effects. The way galaxies rotate and how clusters of galaxies move simply can't be explained by the visible matter alone. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence for dark matter comes from the Bullet cluster. When two galaxy clusters collided, astronomers observed that the visible matter and dark matter separated. This observation confirmed that dark matter interacts through gravity but not through electromagnetic forces. Dark matter forms a cosmic web, acting as a scaffolding for the universe. Galaxies and clusters form along these filaments of dark matter, shaping the large-scale structure of the cosmos. Without dark matter, the universe as we know it wouldn't exist. In the early universe, dark matter played a crucial role in the formation of the first structures. It clumped together, creating gravitational wells that attracted normal matter, leading to the formation of stars, galaxies, and eventually the cosmic structures we see today. But what is dark matter made of? This is one of the biggest questions in physics. Scientists have proposed various candidates, such as WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles, and axions. Experiments deep underground and in space are currently hunting for these elusive particles. Particle accelerators like the Large Hadron Collider are also searching for signs of dark matter. By smashing particles together at high energies, scientists hope to create and detect dark matter particles, shedding light on this cosmic mystery. Understanding dark matter is crucial not only for explaining the structure and formation of the universe, but also for unlocking the mysteries of fundamental physics. It might hold the key to new theories that go beyond our current understanding. The mystery of dark matter continues to captivate scientists and astronomers. As we peer deeper into the cosmos and conduct more experiments, we edge closer to uncovering its secrets. Join us next time on Knowledge Bytes as we explore more wonders of the universe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. Keep looking up and stay curious.